Yes, today being Saturday, April 24th, 2021, we woke up to the sad news that the country home, my country home of the governor of Imo State, Senator Hope Uzodinma, was set ablaze. And to my greatest shock and dismay, we watched it as the house was raising. I mean, this is the kind of politics we don't want in Imo State. Just watch what's going on.
Move water. This is what we should do. Fire service. Where is this fire service for this land? Hello. To find way to quench this particular vehicle.
If you get that canal, off all these lights because of the building. That's water. More water.
I think I'm really how we do it. Question is because of. Oh yeah.
Governor's house. I've burnt everything. And this is photo. Putting a blaze live. Well, yes. This is everywhere. As you can see. I've burnt the governor's house. Burnt his gateman house. Burnt his Nepal. Burnt his Rolls-Royce. As you can see, his Rolls-Royce, they'll burn it.
Hey!
Okay.
Yeah, there's I think one casualty. Naturally, when you repel an attack, when there's an exchange of gunfire, anything can happen. That's the only way you can repel an attack. So I think there's one casualty. Well, I'm not talking for the police. I'm talking of the information I have. Maybe one or two, I don't know. But I think that what I know is that there are a few casualties.
What's your take on possibly motive surrounding the attack on the #1 citizen of the state?
Preliminary investigations point to the fact that the thing was politically sponsored. So, but no conclusions yet. His Excellency has already directed that investigation on the matter should be expeditiously handled, and that both sponsors were applicable and agents should be quickly apprehended and brought to justice. So that is where we are now. But there are some indications that it could have been politically sponsored.
So your word for residents of Anambra for the government?
Well, the thing is, everybody should be calm. You cannot. There's no way you can avoid this kind of surprise, embarrassment or attacks. But what has happened today in Omuma shows that this government is equal to the tax, and we are alive. We are not sleeping, and any such attacks will also be equally repelled. So there's no cause for alarm. People should go about their normal businesses. The security agencies are equal to the tax, and they're not sleeping, and the government is also equal to the tax. On top of the situation.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.